Hey there, Cinnamon here, and in this video today we are going to be talking about where to find your Lightroom presets if you have forgotten where they are. You had to have known where they were at some point because you had to put them in a folder in order to get them to work in your Lightroom, but if you're looking for your Lightroom presets and you're not sure where they're located, we are going to talk you through that. Okay, so we're going to open up Lightroom. And this will work whatever catalog you're in. It doesn't matter because the presets are applied to Lightroom as a whole. So what you want to do is you want to go over here to Preferences from your Lightroom menu. It might default open to General. If it does, you just want to click on Presets. And from there, you can say Show Lightroom Presets Folder. So this should, especially if you're on a Mac, I'm not 100% sure how this works on a PC, so forgive me if you're working on a PC, but this will pull up the exact location of your Lightroom folder on your hard drive. So you want to just open that, and then in here you'll see lots of different folders. They may look exactly the same or they may be slightly different, but you're wanting to look at the Develop Presets folder. So in here, you'll see all the different presets that I have installed into my Lightroom. Any user-generated presets or presets that you have created yourself will be in here. And then any presets that maybe you've purchased over the course of your career, as long as you put them here, if they're showing in your Lightroom, they will be in here. So I have some Greater Than Gatsby and some various other presets that are in here, so this is where they will be located. Now, if you need to pull one of these presets out in order to maybe share with your private editor or something along those lines, that's really simple to do. You just need to find the actual preset file. So in here, let's just do this one. Let's say Lauren Simmons basic preset. So this is a preset file that she has shared with me. So you would just right click, copy, and then you could just paste that into an email, or you could paste it into a Dropbox folder that you share with your editor. You could share it a lot of different ways, but you don't want to move it out of this folder because then it won't show up in your Lightroom anymore. But as long as you copy it and then send it off to the editor, that would be great. Don't really recommend that you share your purchase presets with other people. Obviously, we want to encourage people to buy presets, but if you did need to share with like an editor, or if you wanted to copy them onto another computer, that would be how you would do that. So again, in Lightroom, you click on Lightroom from the menu, Preferences, Presets, Show Lightroom Preset Folder, click on Lightroom, Develop Presets, and there they will all be. I hope you found that helpful, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much.